welcome to a hot sauce video.
Hello.
So if you're not into hot sauce videos, turn it off now. Anyways, the folks over at Hellfire Detroit, we've actually had their sauces, and I, through some business associates, got to meet the owner of Hellfire Detroit. Awesome, had a great conversation. They sent us a box of them, which is great because I hadn't tried everything they had. And this is their lineup of sauces. Now, they're a little bit different. They are chili pepper habanero, which is one I have had I really like. They fire roast the sauce. Now, I can really appreciate this because I like fire roasted sauce. And what that means is they literally light the peppers on fire and grind them up. I've done this. I make them in my smoker. I've done them myself. It's a lot of work. I thought, you know, you always get excited, like, I'm just going to make my own hot sauces, and I'll start a hot sauce company, but I never followed through on that because I realized that there's a lot of work that goes into doing this, you know, more than just putting it on the grill. And they have done that, though. They've captured that flavor I was looking for, so it was kind of cool when I did discover them. I'm like, hey, someone's making the hot sauce like I like, and with that real fire-roasted taste. So we'll start out with the real mild ones over here. We're going to start at the Popolino. So if you're not into hot sauce, but you want that fire-roasted flavor, and if you notice there's some missing from the bottle because we started sampling before, I'm like, I gotta try some of this.
And each bottle has like a little scale on the back. It says wimpy, mild, hot, yikes, and deadly. And it has the Scovilles down there. So, I haven't tried this one yet.
Now, the sauce is thick, but it doesn't get stuck in the bottle. It's not like you have to really beat the bottle up to get it out. It's not like an old ketchup bottle or something. But the Popolinos, not much on the spice factor at all, especially for me because I'm used to it really spicy. But you get that flavor. Am I saying, really, is it Popolino or Popolino?
Poblano.
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 Poblano. Now, they also have a cherry bomb chili pepper. These are, what is it we got here? Fire roasted cherry bomb, apple cider vinegar, sea salt, distilled vinegar, and oil. By the way, these are not very vinegar-y at all. They don't have that, I think they put vinegar. Like, I taste it, but I think they put enough to preserve it versus like Frank's Red Hot is vinegar is like a primary ingredient. Like you have to put some vinegar in to preserve, but not to kill the flavor. And the cherry bomb one is actually really good. I think I got some cherry peppers in there, so I think that nice bright red. Those are really good, really tangy, and on the table. I'm gonna like it. I don't care. I clean the table. Clean it again now. So that's really good.
Good. This one has a little kick to it.
Now, I don't know. I don't
nice one, though.
know much about the manzana peppers.
No idea.
M-A-N-Z-A-N-A. I mean, that's pretty, not what I'm familiar with.
That's considered a hot one.
Yeah, it's into the hot. It's not into the deadlies.
No, but it's the, what is it, the 15 to the 30,000?
Whoops. First time I opened it, so the little seal is still in there. Oh, by the way, I like the cap seals they have on these. These are, they're not just a cap. It actually pushes down in there. I like a better design.
You talk too much. I'm eating.
I probably do. I love talking. I just can't believe people on YouTube listen to me.
I know, right?
Oh, thank you. There's 18,000 of you now. So as of was this March 2018. So, that's a unique taste.
That's good.
I would describe that as a. Does it remind you like a spicy banana pepper?
Yeah, actually, now that you say that, yeah. It's got that little ting to it. But it's very spicy.
That's good. Spicy to heart. There's like the little bits in here, too, of the fire roasted. So you really, that flavor comes through to me, that char grilled,
I really like that.
Grilled vegetable flavor.
Actually, I really like all of them. They're really, really, really flavorful.
Yeah, it's different because it's not like hot sauces that add a lot of mixed ingredients, which I like those, too. But they get a lot of their flavor from that fire roasting that you get. So let me pop the seal on that. Those are so good.
They are.
This, the habanero. Yes, this is all me right here. When I was at the event, they had some of the habanero stuff, and I'm like, oh, habanero and French fries.
This one's really thick.
The habanero sticker. But it's so good. I'm having more of that. The Scovilles is a lot higher on the habanero. The thickness there. Still got the fire roasted taste. They didn't kill the habanero because the habanero, if you are into heat, you know it has I want to almost call it like a fruit taste to it, like a sweeter fruit.
Yeah.
You could mix habanero with different fruits, like a mango or something. That's why mango habanero is so popular. They complement each other really well, and they don't kill that flavor by roasting it.
It's good. Definitely
It's
a lot more heat.
A lot more heat. You're going back for the Monza one?
Yeah. That one just had a nice, oop.
Cool off with this. This is, maybe we'll do some more reviews of these with the other guys, see what they think of them. But if you're into that fire roasted taste, this is definitely a different sauce than a lot of the other ones we've had. You know, they're not going to go crazy. They're not trying to kill you. They're not an extract that's just trying to kill you with the heat. Those are fun. Those are fun for challenges. They make for a fun video to see if you can conquer an extract. But this is a more flavor, especially that roasted. This is what kind of makes them that Hellfire. And they sent us this in this cool little box, and I like this. This is really good.
Oh, yeah. These aren't the insane ones that I would just, you know, taste test and be done with. These are ones that I'll actually put on dishes.
I don't know. I really like the... I like all of them. This is nice
really
for mild. I still like fire roast. This is the cherry bomb's really good. The only thing confusing about the cherry bomb, maybe it's a typo, I don't know. So you have the 100,000 to 300,000 Scovilles listed on the habanero. The cherry bomb apparently is 100 to 3,500, so there's a wide range. I guess maybe that's the nature of those peppers. The nature of those peppers is probably there's like some are really hot, some are not so hot. So you're gonna get a surprise in the Scoville range on there.
It's a big range on that.
It's a big range, but this is really good. I mean, it's definitely hotter. That's just if you have someone who says I want something, go for the Popolino. They go, I want something, but I'm scared to eat anything spicy. Start with that Popolino.
Yeah, there's hardly any heat. It's very, very mild.
It's milder than Frank's or even Tabasco. It's a really mild flavor.
I really like this one. There's more of that.
But none of them are too hot for her.
No.
It's not like the Reaper sauce with Scotty O'Hattie.
No, that one was a little much.
But great sauces. Give them a try. I'll leave a link below where you can order these online and enjoy this.
Just like that tang this has to it.
And stop by soon enough. If you stop by our office, have a free sample.
Yeah, if we don't eat it all.
We don't eat it all. If you're in the area, you go, I just want to stop by Tom's office.
Might just stick a straw in that one.
You know, we welcome people to come by, whoever want to try hot sauces, extracts. We have business customers come by, but if you're watching this on there and you say, I just want to stop by and try that, but you have to have a sign a waiver if it's general public. I don't know. The business people, they kind of know us. It's our friends. The other business owners, but if you want to try some of these hot sauces,
and the
we
flavor
have a collection
is so distinct between each one of these.
Yeah,
they're like so different in flavor. It's actually
I gotta
really
admit, this
nice.
Monza pepper one's really good.
Yeah, I really like that.
I would describe it as like a banana pepper, even though it's not that yellow that you expect from banana pepper. It's greenish.
Yeah,
maybe with a yellow tint. I don't know.
It tastes
really
like
good.
one of the peppercini.
Pepperoncinis.
Yes, that's kind of what it reminds me of.
I'll have to look up. I don't know.
I really like this. I want some more of this for the house, definitely.
Yep. All right, thanks for watching.
Thanks.
Go ahead. If you're interested in some fire roasted peppers, order some. They got
you
links
won't be
on their website.
disappointed. This
you
is
won't be
really
disappointed.
good.
Links will be in the comments description below. For Hellfire Detroit, check them out. And great stuff here. Thanks.